So I go on news.
Hurricane Matthew's churns towards Jamaica as the Jamaicans prepare for the onslaught. We begin this evening with the latest on Hurricane Matthew. A hurricane warning remains in effect as the system moves closer to Jamaica. It is expected to bring life-threatening rainfall. The Met Service says the dangerous hurricane continues to move across the central Caribbean and is projected to move towards Jamaica within the next 24 to 36 hours.
Jesus Christ.
Come tomorrow, they expect some custom force winds to pick up late summer night, and then after that on Monday expect hurricane force winds mainly over the eastern section of the island. However, the hurricane will blanket the island, so expect winds of the hurricane strength across the island. But right now, the worst of the storm we see here.
Dear Lord, yes, I'm a truck come to Jamaica. Please tell him to go look for Mark, Luke, and John. Please. We can't take this right now. We are going through a whole heap of sick right now. Please, God. Please turn him back. I don't want him to come here. We can't take him no more. Please, not for buy nothing. If you don't take away light, I'm going to use the Wi-Fi to talk to people on WhatsApp. A whole heap of sick that, man. What's all the food not there? And the tin food, I can't manage the tin food there, man. Please, Lord. Send him back. Please beat and send him back home when he come from. I'm going to look for somebody else. We can't take it no more. Yeah, Lord. Please take my word in consideration. Please. Amen. Just got the latest news. Hurricane Matthew heading to Haiti and Cuba. Not coming to Jamaica. Thank God.